The Freetown lady not cook or Liberian food. Alright, y'all. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to cook Liberian pepper soup. I'm gonna be putting my own mix in there as well, but it won't be that much mixing I will be putting in there. Okay, so what you will need for your pepper soup, it will be black pepper, okay, seasoned salt, Maggi cubes, 1 onion. I have sliced tomatoes. These are the frozen ones, so they haven't defrosted, that's why they look like that. And also your pepper, you will need your pepper, and also you will need Benny seed season right here. I got this from the African store, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and you will also need okra. I already made this okra a couple days ago, so I don't need to put it in the soup. This will be added after the soup or put on top of fufu when it's done. And also you're gonna use your tilapia fillets that I already have on my channel already, so you can take a look at that. Okay, and yeah, so next I will show you in this pot right here. I have in here my meats in here. As you can see, I have my meats them in here, and I also have my bitter ball here, and I also have my kitele. I have my meats in here. I already have the bitter ball and kitele on my channel. I did a video of that already, so take a look at my channel. You will see that on there. Okay, so what I did was I blended my tomatoes and my pepper and my onion, and that is what I have in this bowl right here. Okay, this is my crushed tomatoes, the ones that I showed you in this bag right here, this one. Okay, with my onion and my pepper. That's what I blended, and I'm gonna add that right into this pot. Okay, so next I'm gonna use my black pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoned salt, not much, so the meat can have a little bit of flavor. And I'm gonna use 1 Maggi for now. Okay, and then I'm gonna add my fish in. But before I add my fish, I'm gonna add the Benny seed into the pot. You can also add peanut butter if you want to, but I'm gonna do it strictly pepper soup. Okay, I'm just gonna do 2 of these. So next I'm gonna put water into the pot. I'm gonna add water to actually cover the meat. I'm gonna use you see this bowl right here? I'm gonna use 2 of them because the chicken that I have in here and the meat that I have in here and also the turkey that I have in here, they are hard chicken and meat. They need time to cook, so it's gonna literally take you like 20 to 25 minutes for all of that to cook down. So this is African cooking. This is not American chicken. This is African chicken. So it's gonna take time to cook down, basically. Okay? So I'm gonna mix everything, and then I'm gonna add my fish. I'm gonna add the fish into the pot. And I'm gonna turn my stove on to medium. Okay. I'm gonna cover my pot and let it cook down. So I wanted to show you a little bit, just in case if someone has a question. This is the bitter ball right here. I did make a video of it before, and I have them in baggies like this, like I said on my video. And this is the kittle right here. Okay, so usually when I want to cook, I usually take a bag of each and so on. I still got some left. So yeah, so this is what I actually put in the pot I was telling you. So just in case if someone doesn't understand what I was saying. Okay, so I'm gonna take probably 2 more peppers, and then I'm gonna add them into this pot. Okay, so that will cook down, and I will come back to show you as the cooking progresses. Hey guys, so this is after 20 minutes of cooking. As you can see, the water came down a little bit, but you can see I can see more water into the pot because it's not as much flush, we African people call it. Like, you know, this is like, you know, the thing that sits on top of the soup to tell you your food is almost done. So it's not as much on top, and it's still telling me basically, you know, water, I still need the water to go down a little bit. So I'm just gonna put my stove down to low and let it cook down to the consistency that I want it to be, and then, you know, and basically I'll show you what I'm gonna be eating this with. Okay guys, I'll come back and show you guys. Hey guys, so now this is my final product of this soup that I cooked, and all the fish, you know, smashed in here, which is good because there's no bones, no nothing in here, so it's good. So yeah, they already dipped into the soup, that's why it's kind of a little bit now than what I actually had it before. So yes guys, so this is the pepper soup everybody wanted. Okay, so over here is the actual product of the soup, and this is the okra, and this is the final product. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Alright, bye bye, enjoy. The free time lady not cook or Liberian food. Alright, y'all.